Yeah, so anyone live here? Yeah, so anyone live here? Much. So please, so do some interaction, okay? Because again, without anyone in front of me, it's very difficult for me to communicate actually. So can you hear me? So about next batch actually, again, uh, the problem that may come for MSc final year student, okay, MSc final year student who haven't what you call completed their academics. I think their exams are also very uncertain. I think so for MSc final year student, I mean final semester, who are studying in MSc final semester, again for them again this preparation, I mean to start preparation. So again, if anyone who already started preparation, for them so there is no issue. If anyone from MSc final year who wish to start preparation soon after MSc, this lockdown and this epidemic would be very problematic. I hope all of you know that one. So again, because their academic exams, so that will be postponed. So maybe it may be postponed to June or July. So then, so their academic exam, if their academic exam postpones, so definitely they can't start preparation early. Again, so they should start, I mean, their preparation by July end or August. So yeah, so July 1 is the exam for you. Yeah, again, so maybe by the end of or so by the mid of July, they will finish out all academic exams and all. So I hope so, if everything goes well. So I think during July you can't attend any coaching or any, again you can't start your preparation during July. But usually I used to start my batch so by the so beginning of July or by the end of June actually. So I'm going to start my next batch so from the last week of June. So because if I'm not starting like that, I can't finish out my syllabus by December. Again, if any MSc student who starts preparation from August, so August, September, October, November, December, it's not sufficient. That time span, that's not sufficient for them to what you call finish out the what you call whole syllabus preparation, and to attend the exam. So that's why again those who are willing to attend my next batch, again I'll take them so right now, and I'm going to provide them some topic, some initial topic that I'm going to cover in the month of June to July. So usually, so initially I used to cover quantum mechanics and some mathematical physics. Uh, so my idea is again if those student, those MSc final year student, again definitely if they want to join, they should join so at the end of July or in the month of August. So they will miss something. So during this one, so again they better to study that part right now. I mean, so those who wish to join my class, they better to study those part right now. And if they prepare those part right now, so even though they join in the month of August, whether online or offline, again, so still many people may be in confusion whether to join online or offline. I mean, so classroom course, because definitely we don't know what would happen in the next month, what would be the decision so that's taken by the government in the next month. So that's why so what I suggest is those who are willing to attend my next batch, so they better to, okay, I'm going to so take them right now. Again, I'm not going to take any payment right now. I'm going to take payment later only. But I'm going to grab their what do you call information, and I'm going to send quantum mechanics videos, because initially I used to cover quantum mechanics and some mathematical physics. If again I am going to teach that one from the so last week of June to July actually, but those who are so busy in academic exams, they can't attend those classes, and sometimes they may not come here. If they plan for classroom course, they may not able to come here also, because I hope up to July, so they will not open up so transport and all. So that's why a lot of uncertainties are there, but the preparation should be done before next December and before next GATE or JUST exam. A good preparation should be done. So that's why for MSc final year student, I'm again or for any suppose BSc final year student who are willing to prepare for JUST or TIFR. So what I would suggest is you join right now, and maybe you have at least 1 full month of lockdown, or again maybe next 1 month colleges will not be open. So utilize this time and finish out one big topic that I am going to teach in the beginning of my course, so that even if you join in the month of August, you will not feel any hectic or you will not feel any pressure. So by the end of next CSIR, NET, GATE or JUST exam, your preparation will be done as usual. So that is the idea. So any suggestions or any comments on this idea quickly? One thing is, since since universities and colleges are closed right now, so most of you are not spending much time on your study. Okay, I'm talking about MSc final year students. And one more thing is, if I start my course by the end of June, again you will be busy at that time. Definitely you will be busy in your exams, your university exams. Again you can't attend the course properly. If I'm not starting by the end of June, I can't finish the syllabus in time, and I can't plan for next GATE or just next revision and all. So that's why a lot of uncertainties are there. First again, so I was also very much worried. So this was going in my mind, what should do in the next batch and all. So that's why I want to clear that one. So even in my mind also. So again, those who are willing to join classroom course, again I think their exams will not be over by the end of June. Okay, exams will be over by the end of I think July mid. At that time, if traveling is allowed, definitely they can join. But what I am saying is some time will be wasted definitely. If the students are thinking that after MSc I am going to prepare, that is the big mistake. Okay, so because this time, so nobody can give you back this time. This quarantine and this lockdown period. Again, you should have prepared. You should have started your preparation. Those who are willing to attend my course, so they should have done some beginning part, whatever I teach in the beginning part, because definitely you will miss those beginning part. If you are in MSc final year, definitely you are going to miss those beginning part. That's why my idea is, so for those students, MSc final year student, I am going to provide all material. So regarding this, so quantum mechanics and some mathematical physics, some basic mathematics also. So integrate again, one more again let me upload some more videos on PhD interviews. Okay, integrated PhD is almost similar to PhD interview, but they may not ask question on some research domain, because again you have so during your BSc you haven't gone through those research and all. So that's why let me make one more video on that one. Okay, so PhD preparation. So let me note down your question. Okay, what is the difference between PhD interview and integrated PhD interview? In PhD interview, they may ask MSc project, they may ask some other research exposure if you have, or research interest. But in integrated PhD, they will purely evaluate by the your what you call BSc knowledge, I mean your electrodynamics, quantum mechanics, basic quantum mechanics, statistical physics, like that. They may ask very basic question. We shall discuss about interview in other session. Okay, I think I have, again, in my playlist there is a playlist called career. Okay, in that career playlist I am constantly uploading so PhD interview preparation. Okay, again, if any video, again, if I make any one so any more video, again I am going to upload, I am going to put it in that playlist, so watch them. Okay, online course and offline, in my course online and offline courses are same. Okay, whatever I teach in class, that will be I mean you will watch that one as a live stream. I'm going to live stream the classroom teaching actually. So and I'm going to observe live chat also, just like here I'm observing so live chat. I'm going to keep on observing live chat. I'm going to answer those questions which are in the live chat also. So there will be some student in class who is watching the live class, so live chat. He will express whatever the doubts. So that is so put in the live chat usually. I'll make the arrangement for that one. There is no separate classes for online and offline. Okay, so whatever the online core or whatever the classroom teaching, I am going to telecast that one as online actually. I mean, so live streaming. Is it clear? So both online and offline course will run together, so not separately. So that's why even though some students who are willing to what you call attend classroom course who can't travel at the end of June, I would suggest them to join as soon as possible. I mean maybe in the month of July or August, but they can watch online. I mean if they are not a MSc student, if they are not busy in their academic career, definitely again it will not be that much problematic for them. Okay. So any questions? Yeah, course is lagging because so because again my health